Does your team take thousands of photos for work progress? Do you have a shared inbox used to receive photos? Or does your team email or text photos each day? If the answer is yes, then FieldFirst Camera may be built for you. Unlike other GPS timestamp apps, our app is simple, has no ads or annoying pop-ups, and is very developer-friendly. Let's get into it. Open up the app to get started. Unlike other GPS timestamp camera apps, our app is free to use, has no annoying ads or pop-ups trying to get an upgrade to unlock. At the top, you'll see Add Description. Here's where you can add job information or other details. This text is saved to the file name, so you can easily search the photos, unlike others which may name it vaguely, such as image_9952.jpg. Under Description is a category drop-down to quickly change phase of a job. For example, before and after, in this case as found and as left. This is particularly important on large, multi-day, multi-crew jobs. This can be important to show the state of a job site when arriving or leaving a day's work or job phase. You can also set your own custom category by tapping Custom. At the bottom, you'll find the timestamp, which displays the current date and time in hours, minutes, and seconds. This will also be within the file name, so you can easily sort the date the photo was taken. This means files are searchable and sortable, right out of the box without any extra work. When a photo is taken, it will stamp the description, category, timestamp, and GPS decimal to the output image, and rename it, saving it to the device. You can also generate links or QR codes for field staff to allow instant transfer of job information to the camera. This means your field staff won't need to type anything in. All of this is free to use today. Now, let's move on to the premium features available in FieldFirst Camera. Perfect for teams with anywhere between 10 and hundreds of field workers who need to take photos on a job before and after or provide progress updates. Our app allows instant upload without leaving the app, allowing you to avoid shared mailboxes or text message chains. Simply take the photo and upload. For example, when the photo comes in, it will have a reportable timestamp. GPS will also be mappable. It will also have your description, category, and you can set a hidden link ID. Typically a record ID that you're trying to associate the photo to, or internal routing used to organize your photos further. An app user can click a button or scan a QR code to fill information into the description or category. This ensures that the photos have the exact text that you need. If the preset link or QR code had a link ID, it will be indicated here by a red link on the top left. After taking a photo and uploading, you will see an upload icon appear on the top left, which indicates the app is currently queued to upload or is uploading your photos. Under the My Account window, you will have a few options once logged in. One being image quality, which you can set to low, medium, or high. Low, for example, photos will be around 0.5 megabytes depending on the photo and orientation. You're also able to select auto upload or ask each time. Auto upload will skip the ask step and instantly upload the photo as soon as you take it. As you can see, the interface of FieldFirst Camera is simple, non-intrusive, and easy to implement. Schedule a demo with us today to see if FieldFirst Camera can help you manage your photos more efficiently. Or if you're more of a hands-on learner, go check out fieldfirstcamera.com/playground to try it right away.